Your Inner Fish, A Journey into the 3.5 Billion Year History of the Human Body by Neil Shubin, published in 2008. This engaging book explores the deep evolutionary connections between humans and other life forms, tracing our anatomy back 3.5 billion years to the simplest organisms. Shubin, who co-discovered the pivotal fossil Tiktaalik, uses a blend of science, storytelling and personal anecdotes to reveal how our bodies carry the legacy of ancient fish, worms and even single-celled creatures. The book begins with Shubin's discovery of Tiktaalik, a 375-million-year-old fishapod found in the Canadian Arctic. This transitional species, with its mix of fish-like gills and tetrapod-like limbs, serves as a launching point for examining how vertebrates moved from water to land. Shubin argues that understanding such fossils unlocks the history embedded in our own bodies. He frames the narrative around a central question: why do humans look the way we do? The answer, he posits, lies in our shared ancestry with creatures far removed from us in time. Shubin organizes the book by dissecting human anatomy, bones, organs, nerves and genes, showing how each feature evolved from earlier forms. For instance, he explains how the bones in our hands and arms mirror the fin structure of ancient fish like Tiktaalik. Our skulls, he notes, reflect modifications of gill arches from fishy ancestors, repurposed over millions of years into jaws and ear bones. Even our sense of smell ties back to primitive aquatic organisms, with genes conserved across species. Shubin's prose is accessible, often likening the body to a jury-rigged machine, built on evolutionary hand-me-downs rather than designed from scratch. A key theme is the unity of life. Shubin delves into developmental biology, showing how embryos across species, fish, frogs, humans, start similarly with structures like pharyngeal arches that later diverge. He highlights experiments with model organisms like flies and zebrafish, revealing shared genetic toolkits. This inner fish isn't just poetic, it's literal, encoded in our DNA and anatomy. Shubin also reflects on the quirks and flaws of human evolution. Our susceptibility to hiccups, he explains, stems from gill-breathing tadpole ancestors, while hernias trace back to the upright posture we inherited from early land dwellers. These imperfections underscore evolution's tinkering nature, adapting old parts for new uses. The book's strength lies in its narrative arc, weaving Shubin's fieldwork, digging fossils in harsh conditions, with lab insights and evolutionary theory. His enthusiasm for discovery shines through, making complex ideas relatable. While not as mathematically rigorous as some science texts, Your Inner Fish excels as a bridge between expert knowledge and public curiosity. Ultimately, Shubin delivers a humbling message. Humans are not separate from nature, but part of a vast, messy family tree. This 3.5 billion year journey from microbes to us reveals both our ordinariness and our remarkable continuity with life's history. It's a celebration of science as a tool to uncover who we are, flawed, fishy and fascinating. This has been Neil Shubin's Your Inner Fish, a journey into the 3.5 billion year history of the human body. Thank you for watching Speedbook Reviews. Please like and subscribe.